how developers and consumers are co-creating an AI-enabled future. The global AI market is currently valued over $196 billion, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. In fact, AI's industry value is projected to increase by over 13 times in the next 6 years. By 2026, the US AI market alone is forecasted to reach $299 billion with an astounding CAGR of 38.1% from 2022 to 2030. Every product today has or is expected to have AI integration. Why? Because AI isn't just an add-on anymore. It's the driver of innovation and competitive edge. It's not if, but when your product will be AI-powered. It's not new, but if you ask me, AI is the backbone of future-ready business. Hey everyone, before we get to the AI and its impact, let me introduce myself. I'm Arvind Saveen, the CEO and Chairman of Copper Digital. And if you ask me, AI isn't just a technological evolution. It's the key to creating smarter, more adaptive products and solutions that not only survive, but thrive in the future. As AI continues to evolve at lightning speed, it's not just a game changer. It's setting the stage for an entirely new way of building products. But with all this innovation comes a set of challenges, especially for developers and consumers. For developers, the pressure is on to deliver products that don't just meet expectations, but blow them out of the water. The bar is higher than ever. Meanwhile, consumers are becoming more discerning, expecting AI to be not only innovative and personalized, but also trustworthy and ethical. So, what does this all mean for developers, consumers, and businesses alike? Let's dive into the consumer side of things first. Folks, because ultimately it's their evolving expectations that are setting the pace for developers everywhere. Gone are the days when consumers were simply passive users of products or services. Today, they're highly engaged participants, expecting brands to anticipate their needs, preferences, and yes, even emotions. AI has set an impressively high bar for personalization, and we see this most vividly in how brands like Netflix, Spotify, Amazon deliver these hyper-customized expectations. Now, here's something interesting. Most people don't realize just how much personalization has embedded itself into our daily psyche. According to a recent McKinsey study, 71% of consumers expect personalization, and 76% actually get frustrated when they don't receive it. AI's ability to sift through massive datasets, predict preferences, and adapt on the fly has set new standards across industries. It's no longer just bonus for a bank to offer tailored financial advice or fitness app to adjust your workout plan in real time. Thanks to AI, consumers now expect this level of personalization as the baseline. Demand for transparency. But here's the catch. With greater personalization comes an increasing demand for transparency. Consumers want to know how their data is being used, and more importantly, if they can trust these AI-driven systems. A staggering 80% of consumers now expect brands to be open about their algorithms' work and how they're using personal data. Trust has become the new currency. Even the most innovative solutions will fail flat if AI systems are seen as manipulative or opaque. Human-like AI systems. Personalization is just one piece of the puzzle though. There is growing trend towards human-like AI systems, AI that feels intuitive, responsive, and even emotionally aware. Think about customer service chatbots that can detect if a user is frustrated, or a virtual assistant that can pick up on excitement or confusion. Emotional intelligence in AI is still emerging, but it's already making a big impact. AI systems can adapt their tone and responses based on users' emotional cues and seeing higher satisfaction scores. It is a shift from mechanical interactions to empathetic, human-like experiences. AI fatigue. Then there's something called AI fatigue. With AI-powered everything from targeted ads to curated content feeds, consumers are beginning to tune out of the constant AI-driven noise. For businesses and developers, this means that AI solutions need to be genuinely valuable, not just clever. If AI doesn't solve real problems or adds unnecessary complexity, consumers will start to disengage. On the other side of this question, we have the developers, the folks actually building these AI-driven experiences. The pressure on developers is immense. AI systems today can't just meet functional needs. They have to deliver experiences that are personalized, ethical, and transparent. That's a tall order. Challenge 1. Integrating AI with legacy systems. For developers, one of the big challenges is integrating AI with legacy systems. Many companies still rely on older infrastructure, making it tough to introduce the dynamic, adaptive capabilities that modern AI requires. It's a tightrope walk. Developers need to innovate with existing constraints while ensuring their AI solutions are scalable and future-ready. This requires not only technical skills, but also strategic understanding of the business landscape they're working in. Challenge 2. Upskilling and staying relevant. The pace of AI innovation adds another layer of complexity. Models like OpenAI's GPT and other generative systems are advancing so quickly that what seemed cutting edge a year ago is already being replaced by something more powerful. Developers must keep upskilling to stay relevant. But it's not just about technical know-how. Today's developers also need to be aware of ethical practices in AI. Addressing algorithmic bias, for example, is no longer optional. It's a core expectation. So, how can developers keep up with these constantly shifting demands? First, adopting an agile mindset is essential. AI is not just a set and forget solution. It's a dynamic field that requires continuous learning. Developers need to be open to iterating on their work, incorporating feedback and refining systems as new data and technologies emerge. Leverage open ecosystems. Leveraging open ecosystems can also accelerate progress. Open source AI frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch allow developers to experiment, innovate, and deploy faster. Collaborating within these ecosystems not only speeds up development but also reduces redundancy, letting developers focus on what truly matters. Multidisciplinary collaboration. Finally, embracing multidisciplinary collaboration is the future of AI development. Working with ethicists, psychologists, and industry experts can give developers the insights they need to create AI that is both innovative and socially responsible. By drawing on these varied perspectives, developers can build AI systems that serve society as a whole, not just the bottom line. In the end, AI isn't just reshaping industries. It's redefining how we think, innovate, and solve problems. It's setting new benchmarks for consumer expectations and challenging developers to create systems that are not only groundbreaking, but also ethical and transparent. The future belongs to those who can strike this balance, pushing boundaries while inspiring trust. This is our moment to innovate boldly, act responsibly, and harness AI as a force for good. The potential is limitless, and the time to lead is now. If you found this video valuable, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Join us as we continue exploring the incredible ways technology is reshaping our world and paving the way forward.